The BJP demonstrated significant electoral momentum in Kuwait today as two key candidates officially filed their nomination papers for the upcoming DT-ADC elections. Ananta Debarma, contesting from the number 9 Halhali Ashram Mari constituency, and David Debarma, representing number 12 Ramchandragarh, submitted their documents to the returning officer at the Kuwait SDM office. The candidates were accompanied by a massive rally of thousands of BJP supporters who marched through the streets of Kuwait with party flags and energetic slogans. MLA Pinaki Das led the procession, providing a strong display of legislative backing for the candidates. The filing by Ananta Debarma is particularly notable, following his recent high-profile transition to the BJP, adding a layer of intensity to the contest in Halhali Ashram Mari.
Okay. Tini ang Baro Ramchandragarh te BJP ni engai batai nai te tini ang nomination file khaikya bus kang ni 12 tarikh tini Chongmari o Chongmari wo BJP ni prati ba ano kebang bud khai jitrinan bangai ang nongni channel ni maidhame jottono lukorong koi jau hambai
Hyper kono kebang munuk tara to
kebang to krei BJP no kebang nai to keb krei Sumba already jiti jak BJP already jiti jak
aja digi nang opposition tam tipra motha party bor to sai tong bor to apply nai ni sara bor ma bai counter khai ni
अब इलेक्शन परे साइमन जने अप्लाई था बुनाम या इलेक्शन सेकंड जो तो स्ट्रैटेजी साइड के दुनिया है दिवा संग इलेक्शन जीती खा संग जीती नहीं आगामी दिन बीजेपी काउंसिल आसुन नहीं हम भाई
Pure Report, Chini Khara.